Dayanand Saraswati. Dayanand Saraswati was born in a Brahmin family in Tankara village near Morbi in Saurashtra. In his early childhood, he realized that the idol worship and religious rituals were worthless. Idol worship means Murti Puja or religious rituals means Dharmik Vidhiya. He left his family and the world in search of truth. He traveled across India for the 15 years and studied yoga. He became a sannyasi. He followed the philosophy of Swami Virjanand in Mathura. Swami Dayanand Saraswati made an attempt to achieve national unity by advocating a classless and casteless society. He preached to the people to go back to the Vedas. प्रीच करना यानी उपदेश देना, समझाना. उन्होंने लोगों को समझाया कि हमें हमारे वेद यानी कि हमारे जो धार्मिक पुस्तक हैं उनकी तरफ वापस जाना चाहिए, यानी कि उनमें दिए गए वैल्यूज़ और मोरल्स को हमारी लाइफ में उतारना चाहिए, उनको समझना चाहिए. ही रोट बुक एंटाइटल्ड सत्यार्थ प्रकाश. He made people aware that in the Vedas there is not a single mention about the evil customs such as idol worship, rituals, child marriage, sati pratha, untouchability, etc. He advocated the thought of there is only one God. He preached in Hindi, and as a result his thoughts reached to the maximum people of our country. Dayanand Saraswati established Arya Samaj in 1875, branches of which were established in Lahore, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and Gujarat. Consequently, social changes occurred rapidly. Arya Samaj started movement to reconvert those people to Hinduism who had changed their religion on the force or choice and were willingly to return to their original faith. आर्य समाज का एक बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन रहा है कि जो लोग किसी फोर्स की धमकी या किसी और रीज़न से अपने हिंदू धर्म को बदल दिया था, उन लोगों को हिंदू धर्म का महत्व समझा के उनको वापस हिंदू धर्म में वो लोग लाए थे. After the death of Swami Dayanand Saraswati, the activity of this organization were conducted by leaders like Lala Hansraj, Pandit Gurdat and Lala Rajpat Rai. In the year 1902, Kangdi Gurukul was established near Haridwar by Swami Shraddhanand. Arya Kanya Mahavidyalaya was started in Vadodara, Gujarat, where the education focused on including discipline, dignity of labor, tolerance, patience and moral values. Thus, Dayanand Saraswati has given a mammoth contribution for the Hinduism.